Okay, everybody. So, in this video, we are going to run ads for Prime. So, if you are a e-com brand or a product or D2C brand, you can run ads using AI. Mean the Meta and Google ads. So, let's start. So, basically, today our example is Prime. So, we create the ads, we run the ads, and we launch the ads for Prime. Okay, let me show you how. And not just that, we also create Ronaldo face Prime, like Ronaldo promote the prime ads. Okay, let me show you how. So please still till the end, so it will be amazing video. What we need to do, just copy their website of this brand. Now we don't go meta manager because we have a dedicated tool called GrowTake AI. It's a AI agent that will create, launch and optimize your ads automatically. You don't need to hire any media buyer or graphic designer, all of this. And the best part, for now it will come with free trial. Just go and try this out. So if you sign up for GrowTake AI, here you can see the clean dashboard of this. Here you can see according to your package, it will show you all of the platform. For using all of the platform, you need to connect those ads account. So for this, just go to this brand section, and here you can see, here you can connect your ads account and pages. It hardly takes some 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, after that, here is the brand info. So here our main work start. Okay, first what we tell, just copy their website or URL, whatever they have their own details, and just get, extract all of the data. So here I just choose their website like Prime Drink, and that's it. Okay, so now here you can see, here is their Prime like name, but for now I'm just go with Prime. Here is their brand name, beverage industry, welcome to Prime name. Okay, that's good. Okay, here you can see their logo, and if I want to change color, so I think it will be, I think already there, I think probably this color, or you can choose their color codes. Okay, and use secondary colors. Okay, and here you can marketing information. So what we need, so for now I think might be the awareness of this sales from our website. Okay, you can choose your own phone number, whatever, and also the location where you now run ads. After all of the thing is done, here you can see the brand voice. If you think any brand guidelines, you can choose that, like target audience, whatever. For now we can choose with like the default GrowTake AI generate option. After that, here is the main option. We need to choose our product and service. Here you can see lot of like flavorize option of the Prime. Okay, here is the energy orange, but for now we just select Prime. So we need to like their brand awareness, and all of the traffic we goes to this website, and people according to their preference they buy their stuffs. So all of the thing is done. We create a lot of products just, or if you think you need to like add more products, here you can have option. But for now all of the thing is done. Like first we configure GrowTech. This is my business, this is my product, and this is my service. I want to now advertise. Now here is the option. If you click on this creator, here it will be there. But for now just go to advertise tab, and here you can see the all of the platform. But meta we select, click on meta ads, and here you need to choose your goal. So for now we choose our goal is website traffic like sales, and it will automatically recommend to our product. So here we need to choose our pixels. I think there will be purchase and save. Okay, so first we choose our goal. Second, what we advertise. So if you click on this, here you can see all of the Prime product, but for now I'm just choose the Prime. And here we need to select some raw images. So if you have your own images, you can add. For creating creatives, I'm just choose from the library. I think there will be in website, I think there will be probably, I think lot of like high protected website, they don't scan you. But let me show you. And if you have your own product, just select okay, I think it will be there, I think. Okay, yes. So I'm just choose some images. Product. Okay, I think that will be good. So now we select some products. So I select just random products. Okay. So for now you can add your own, but if I click on this, click generate. Now here you can see GrowTake AI will create, read your website, understand your business, generate targeting, add copy, and finalize all of the stuff. So now just sit back and watch how GrowTake AI will create everything for you. So now here you can see AI will create those ads for your. After that, it will select the primary text of four types and four headlines. And here is the targeting and select AI targeting, or you can choose another targeting option. Here will be a lot of things. Okay, and here you can add your own locations like advanced option. But for now, we just go with AI targetings. Okay, and if you see this ad, like just like how it's we choose whichever will be the great, but it's will be okay. I think what the image we select it not the good quality, so that will be the reason not visible. But now we not just want this ad, we want to create more advanced level ads. Okay, that's why click on generate with AI, or you can choose your own by the way. Okay, just select the library, and here you can upload your own. But for now, we just create a product shoot ad. That the thing what I'm talking about. So for now, we just go the product shoot ad, and here the main magic happening. So here we just upload some images. So here I'm just type like first image I share a prime drink. So I'm just type this prompt and just copy this one, and let me show you how it will be generated. So for now I'm just click on the create add creative and this smart creative option, so that will be the reason the thing is turned on and going on. Okay, just ignore this one for now. Okay, now here you can see it's good, right? So just make another option, so holding prime drink option, prime drink just like second image. He is in his dress. Okay, and let me see how it will be generate. Okay, now you can see that now these two images. So now you can see Ronaldo or any famous character will you can insert and create the ad for you product. Select this one. Okay, so if you need more options, there will be lot of features, but for this specific video I want to have a celebrity face. So now here you can see Ronaldo will promote your ads, and if you watching this Logan, I think you can use GrowTake AI. And here you can see all of the primary text targeting, and here you can know the website link and the budget. So according to your product, so 1000 rupees, so according to that it will find which the starting budget will be. Here is like 500 rupee per day will be the best. So after all of the thing is going okay, and if you hit the launch button, your ad will be launched. So if I click on this, if everything is okay, here you can see this launch button. If I click on the launch, our ad will be launched. And when launch the ads campaign, if you just go to advertise tab and just scroll down, here you can this type of like the option you can see. Click on just this little grab button, and here you can see all of the spend, leads, sales, all of the stuffs. Okay, and here you can edit your stuffs, add your stuffs, or the best part here is the optimization option. Why we hire MediaWire? Because MediaWire will know what the things going on, how to solve it, and all of the things. You can think about that, like you have your own AI MediaWire that will optimize your 24 by 7 your ads, and in the creative level, in the audience level, and you can see most of the hidden data what not shown by Facebook. So if you want to try this tool called GrowTake AI, just get started today, and I just tell you, just try this one. Okay, And if you have any question or any doubt, you can just go comment, or you can go to our website and you can ask it. Okay.